Stop everything right now. NVIDIA stock is flying higher than one of Elon's rockets. AI is the word on everyone's lips. But I need you to ask yourself one serious question. Is this the peak? Is the biggest AI party the market has ever seen about to have the light switched on? This isn't just about a stock drop. This is about whether the entire AI hype machine is built on solid ground or something much shakier. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll see the whole picture. Let's break this down, simple and clear. Why is NVIDIA the king right now? Their chips, the GPUs, are the absolute gold standard for training AI. Every company, from startups to giants, needs them. Demand is insane. That demand shot their stock price into the stratosphere. We're talking about a company that became worth over $2 trillion. That's a 2 with 12 zeros. But here's the first crack in the wall. You can't stay this hot forever. Three big problems are starting to show up. First, the customer problem. NVIDIA's biggest buyers, they're the tech giants. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon. These guys aren't just buying chips, they're designing their own. Google has its TPUs, Amazon has its Trainium chips. They're spending billions on NVIDIA now, but they're actively working to spend less on NVIDIA later. It's like selling shovels during a gold rush while your biggest customers are already forging their own shovels in the back. Second, the wall problem. There's a rule in computing called Moore's Law. It basically said computing power gets way cheaper and faster regularly. That law is slowing down, hitting a wall. Making chips significantly better is getting brutally hard and expensive. NVIDIA has done amazing work, but physics and economics are getting tougher. Future leaps might be smaller, more costly. That cools the hype engine. Third, the bubble question. Look at history. The dot-com bubble, the crypto boom. They followed a pattern, a great new idea, insane money pouring in, hype going crazy, and then reality checking in. AI is a powerful idea, maybe the most powerful yet, but the current market frenzy has all the signs of a bubble. Too much money chasing quick AI wins, projects with no real plan, and valuations based on dreams, not sales. This brings us to the man of the hour, Elon Musk. At a recent tech event, Musk didn't hold back. He called the current AI rush one of the biggest hype cycles ever. He said, and I quote, "There's a lot of hype right now. It's arguably the biggest hype cycle ever. There's enormous pressure on companies to be seen as doing something in AI." Think about that. Pressure to be seen as doing something. That's the definition of hype. He's warning that a huge amount of this AI investment isn't about real useful products. It's about fear. Fear of missing out. CEOs are scared to tell their boards they aren't pouring money into AI. That's a dangerous reason to spend billions. He also dropped another truth bomb. He said building the actual AI hardware, the next version of these super chips, is meeting real physical limits. It's getting harder. He literally said the companies doing it are bleeding money. So let's connect the dots. The main supplier of AI hardware faces customers building their own, hits physical limits, and operates in a market the smartest guys in the room call overhyped and money-losing. That is a problem. Now let's be totally fair. This does not mean AI is going away. It's not. AI is a real transformative tech, and NVIDIA is an incredible company with a massive lead. This also does not mean the stock will crash tomorrow. What it means is the growth story, the one that everyone has taken for granted, is facing its biggest test. The easy money phase might be over. The next phase is where companies need to turn this hype into actual profitable products, and that is a much harder game. So what happens next? A few likely scenarios. Scenario 1, the slow cool down. The hype dies slowly, investors get patient, money gets tighter for AI startups without a clear path, NVIDIA's growth slows to a more normal, healthy speed. The industry matures. This is the boring but best outcome for everyone. Scenario 2, the shakeout. Smaller companies that bought loads of expensive chips hoping to build the next ChatGPT run out of cash. They can't make a product fast enough. They fail. Their barely used chips get sold secondhand, flooding the market and hurting demand for new ones. This hits NVIDIA sales. Scenario 3, the breakthrough. Someone, maybe NVIDIA, maybe a competitor, cracks the code on the next big chip design, a real jump in power that reignites the fire. But based on what Musk and engineers are saying, this is a huge challenge. Here's the bottom line. We've been in an AI dream for the past year. The alarm clock is now ringing. The warning lights are flashing. Elon Musk just turned up the volume on those alarms. For NVIDIA, the coming years won't be about having no competition. They'll be about fighting giants on all sides while the laws of physics and economics push back. For us watching, it means being smart. Don't buy into the pure hype. Look for the companies building real things with AI, not just talking about it. The party isn't necessarily over, but the free drinks might be. It's time to think clearly. What do you think? Is this the peak of the AI hype or just the beginning of a longer climb? Let me know your take down in the comments. And if this made you think, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talk on tech.